All right, let's talk about this ridiculously slim Samsung phone that's got people talking, the Galaxy S25 Edge. A hands-on video has popped up and yeah, this thing is thin. We're talking just 5.84 millimeter thick. It's like Samsung put a flagship on a diet and went all in on aesthetics. Now, Samsung teased this phone back in January at their Unpacked event and again at MWC, but they only let us look at it. No touching, no real interaction, just a floating display like it was some kind of museum piece. But now, thanks to a leaked video, we finally get to see how it looks in hand, and that sleek titanium jet black color, yeah, it might just be the best looking version yet. There's also titanium icy blue and titanium silver, but let's be real. Jet black has that premium vibe. The S25 Edge is basically the same height and width as the regular Galaxy S25, but way slimmer. And while most S25 models rock 3 or more cameras on the back, this one keeps it simple with just 2, kind of like Samsung's Z Flip series. Spec-wise, this thing is no slouch. It's running Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite, so expect flagship level performance, whether you're gaming, multitasking, or just flying through apps. The camera setup is also stacked 200 megapixel main sensor, 50 megapixel ultra wide, and a 12 megapixel front camera. Basically, it's got enough megapixels to capture every single pore on your face. Now, the only real question mark, the battery. 3,900 milliamp hours might sound a little small, especially for something this powerful, but Samsung usually works some magic with software optimization, so fingers crossed it holds up. But honestly, Samsung could have pushed for a 4,500 milliamp hour battery by using silicon carbon tech. Other brands are already experimenting with it, so why not? A super thin phone with a solid battery would have been the best of both worlds. Hopefully that's something they consider in future models. Overall, the Galaxy S25 Edge is shaping up to be one of Samsung's most stylish phones yet. Ultra thin, high-end materials, and solid specs. It's got a lot going for it. We don't usually cover a lot of smartphones, but if you want to, hit that subscribe button. Peace.